Why does there have to be like a green screen behind me? Oh, big Oreo. Hey Coolies, it's me, Michael, and today we're unboxing the DJ Mixer of Oreo. Oh, it says my name on it. It says MicroKoolKid. Now, this is so cool. Now, in the front, we have the DJ Mixer. We have a bunch of Oreos. And here we have, well, it sounds slippy inside. Down here, we have a little Oreo. And of course, the mini Oreos. And we have these little lines and dots. I like it. It's like parties. Now, here we have like these patterns. We have like a cream and then an Oreo and a cream and a Oreo and a cream and an Oreo and a cream and an Oreo. And it keeps going on. So, yeah, there's nothing in the back. Oh my god! So we have this giant Oreo. Cool. There's like a building. So, I need just, okay, here it is. Now, let's put it up. So, maybe this. Okay. Whoa! This is so cool! Oh my god, these are so cute. They're black. And of course they're black because it's Oreo. Now, here we have, oh my god. Let's take out this first. And what is this? Okay, oh my god. Oh my gosh. So, oh my god, this is so amazing. We have the world, it looks like the world's most stuff. Let's put this here. Let's put this like this. Now let's take off, we have more normal Oreo packs. They're just normal 4 packs. We have a lot of Oreos. Now here we have the DJ Mixer. So cool. We should put this down here. Well, I've been waiting so long for this DJ Mixer thing. Now let's unbox this thing. Whoa! So this is how it looks like, and we have another one though. They look so cool. You have a white one and a black one, of course. And let's review all of this. So in the side you have Oreo, the Oreo logo, and you have this thing in the middle. And almost the same thing, only in the sides it has Oreos, not just in the front. Okay, in order to turn this on, you have to take out the little white thing that I just found here. So that way, then you have to turn it on. So in order to work, you have to open the Oreos. I want to try the normal Oreos, then I'll try one of the world's stuffiest, most. And I just work this. Okay, so there's the Oreos. Cracked. Of course it's cracked. No. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Let's put it. What happens if we put another one? What now? I think that one is for. What would that do? What do you think that one will do? I've never seen this. What? How do I have to turn this on? So. What happened? Does it work? There you go. So now I just found out. Now you have to put this in the side. can you put this? Cool. So maybe you have to take off. Hey, mine. Yummy. I'm gonna eat this whole Oreo. Oh my god, this is the world's most amazing thing I've ever seen. Oh my god. So, right now, let's put this over here. And we're gonna unbox the world's most. And it's Oreos. Okay. Hallelujah. Oh my god, they have lots of cream. Get it. I've never seen something like this, but it's amazing. What if we put one of these? So it looks like this is not that one. No, it seems too big for my mouth, so I'm gonna take the whole cream. Oh! Ah! Ow! Oh, it smells. So guys, what do you think? They're so cool. Hope you guys like it. Now, I've never seen an Oreo like this. It's so amazing. Have you ever seen an Oreo this big? Try your own song. And there's almost like 200 songs, I think. So, this is so... And this was made by the company of Oreo. Oh my god. So amazing. They're like as big, more bigger than my eye. Oh my god, I'm gonna show all my friends about this. I wanna sleep. Oh. No, my mom can't fit that like that. I'm gonna make an Oreo burger. What about, ooh, I have an idea. What about this? Okay, why did the mixer stop? We're gonna take one of this. We're gonna put this. What you think? Ah! I just want to eat the cream, that's all. This normal Oreos have to go here. What about cream? What do you think? Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please smash the like button. And last thing I will do is eat this. So that was my big bite. I took it. Took away like an hour to eat it. So if you like this video, please smash that like button, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.